Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange teriyaki salmon fish. Okay, basically you will need like Mandarin orange peel. Mandarin orange peel I already peel it and cut it. You need to cut the very small thin slices. This one is actually the original peel. I actually cut it further into like this. And then you need a teriyaki sauce. If you don't want teriyaki sauce, you can put soy sauce. Okay, that was soy sauce or like soy sauce. Marinate the fish first. Marinate the salmon, and then after that you put this kind of dices in pieces, and then put into the salmon. Put it all the side edges as well. See like what I did. I have already put into the side edges as well. Okay, then after this you put in the fridge for at least an hour, and then after that you can actually air fry it. I am actually using this air fryer. I can actually air fry it. Just put it inside and air fry it. Okay, for now I won't put it in because I need to actually put it in the fridge and then air fry it. Yeah, so basically normally I will actually set it to the highest temperature, 200 degrees, and then cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, around 10 minutes. 10 minutes should be sufficient. Okay, mate. Okay, normally 10 minutes. 10, if it's not cooked right, you can maybe set it to like 12 minutes or around 15 minutes. You need to actually check the fish and turn the fish to make sure that all the edges are being cooked. Okay, so here's my tip on how to cook orange. I'm actually using Mandarin Orange. It's very nice, you know, the Chinese New Year Mandarin Orange. Yeah. Okay,